time, you're welcome. So today I'll be showing you guys how I created this look, how I achieved this look that I have on right now. This look is very simple, very easy to achieve, and it has some glitters on it as well, which I really love. I wanted to play with glitters today. Guys, don't mind my voice. I am currently not feeling very well, but I still wanted to film this video because I was feeling motivated regardless of how I'm feeling. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, make sure you keep watching. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below and also like this video if you enjoy it. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell down below so you get notifications whenever I post up a new video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. I'm priming my face right now, and as usual I'm using the Milani primer, the mattifying primer, and then I'm going to go in and use a foundation all over my face. The foundation I'm using is the Huda Beauty foundation in the shade Cinnamon. The brush that I'm using to apply this foundation is from Real Techniques. This is one of my favorite brushes to use to apply foundation, and as you can see, I'm just buffing in the product. For concealer today, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, and I'm basically just highlighting the areas that I would normally, apply my concealer. I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend it all in, as you guys can see. And guys, it's always key to use a damp beauty blender when you're blending your product. It just makes it easy, especially for this product that dries really fast. For contour, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer in the shade Espresso, and I'm using the Real Techniques brush to just buff in this product just around the perimeters of my face. I'm also contouring my nose just slightly, and I'm using this BH Cosmetics brush to apply just a little bit of product around my nose area. To set my face, I'm using the Sasha Buttercup setting powder to just set the areas that I highlighted. Guys, setting is key. Setting is key. As you can see, I'm just using this Real Techniques brush to press on the powder on the areas that I want it to be at. Moving on to my brows. Now we're doing eyes, and then I'm going to use this brow pencil from Mabrook, and I'm just filling in the outer area of my brows, and then I'm gradually bringing it into the inward area, the inner area of my brows, inner corners of my brows, and I'm doing it very lightly, guys. I'm not doing too much, and thank God I like this pencil. I like the fact that it comes with a brush, so I'm just brushing up the hair, and I'm gonna clean out my brows. Now I've just applied concealer all over my lid, and then I'm gonna set it with a translucent powder. Now I'm going in with the Juvias Place Zulu palette. I'm using this pink that's gonna serve as my transition shade. I'm just applying it all over my transition area, and I'm blending it using this Evita Joseph blending brush that I always use to blend. You guys know I'm a sucker for Evita Joseph brushes, and I'm gonna go in with this purpley color, and I'm just going to use it to create like a halo. I'm using this very tiny blending brush to just apply the halo area, and then I'm going to go back in with the other brush that I used before for my first transition color, and I'm gonna just blend that out. I'm going to go in and apply that color of blue all over the center of my lid first. So I'm going to use this J-Cat, it's called J-Cat I think, and Uber Chic Veil glue. So I'm going in with the glitter glue and I'm just pressing it on all over the center of my lid, and then I'm going to go in with my glitter. Oh, can you see how pretty that looks? It looks orangey sometimes, and then it looks green at times, but the green side comes off more. So I'm basically just pressing that on, and I absolutely love what it looks like. So now I'm going to go in with the same purple that I used, but I'm going to just apply that in the inner corner and the outer V area. For lashes, I'm using the My Lash Extension lashes in the style Barbie. Before applying lashes, I've just applied my glue and I'm letting that get sticky. I'm going to apply a liquid liner. It's always best to use like a liquidy liner when you use your glitters on your lid, because that way you actually get product in. If you use a gel liner, it will be difficult to actually draw that line without, you know, your glitter moving. And then now I'm going in with my mascara, because you always want to apply mascara before you go in with your lashes. And this mascara that I'm using is from Zaron Cosmetics. Now I'm just applying powder all over my face. I'm using the MAC Cosmetics powder in the shade NC50, and I'm using this brush from RJ Beauty to apply the powder all over my face. I'm going in with the CoverGirl bronzer in the shade Ebony Bronze, and I'm just going to apply that on my cheek using the Makeup Addiction contour brush. For liner, I'm going in with the Yanga Beauty liner. This liner is actually new. I'm going to use it for my waterline, and I'm also going to smudge it just a little bit. So I've applied my lashes off camera, and I'm going to go in with the Yanga Beauty Candid Glow in the shade Oshey. This is going to be my glow. So I'm just applying that on the high points of my cheek, and I'm using the Makeup Addiction highlight brush. This is my favorite brush. You guys already know by now. I'm using this pencil brush. I'm using this brush to apply it, you know, on my brow bone area, my nose, the bridge of my nose, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. For my lips, I'm going in with this brown pencil, and I'm going to go over that with this. I'm going to go over that with this pencil from MAC. It's called Half Red. And then I'm going to go in with Velvet Teddy. And then over the Velvet Teddy, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. And yeah, that is it for my face. I'm going to spray my whole face using this CC Glam Rose Water. And guys, I actually love applying this all over my face. So this is it for this video. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you enjoyed it. And do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you follow me on all my social media accounts. I'm going to leave the details down below. And also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you get notifications whenever I post up a new video. And I guess that is it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!